Are you a new YouTuber with a YouTube channel that looks like this? If you avoid the mistakes I talk about in today's video, your channel will soon look like this. Starting off in the YouTube territory can be kind of scary, like learning guitar. But once you understand how the platform works, you'll be going in turbo. Tip number 1. Not choosing a niche. I have seen this time and time again. Guys, choosing a niche is so important. People make YouTube videos where they show all kinds of things. Everything from their dog to playing basketball, maybe a trip on the beach, which if you're doing a vlog style video, that's great. However, finding the right angle for your channel is vital. This way, you can create content that is cohesive and everything goes together.
Wait a minute. You mean I can't just post random cat videos? That's not good enough?
No, dude, you gotta give your viewers something they wanna see. Nobody wants to see you walk around all day in their flip-flops. If you create a channel that is very niche specific and tailors to a specific type of audience, the chances are your content is going to be a lot more well received. Say for example, I'm an audio engineer and I wanna watch a YouTube channel that's all about audio mixing and mastering. I'm not gonna be too keen on watching this person's upload if it has to do with their trip to the grocery store or maybe how certain circuitry works. Find a niche that you enjoy making content on, that you're passionate about creating content for. You don't want to get burnt out 3 months into the process. I mean, that's horrible. Tip number 2. Uploading consistent content. Nothing's worse when you see a channel really taking off and they're uploading every day or every other day, and then all of a sudden, they just stop posting. For whatever reason, nothing. This can really deter potential subscribers for your YouTube channel and also really harm your YouTube growth. Oh yeah, he uploaded a new... Wait. He hasn't had a video in months. See what I'm talking about? Consistency is key when you want to grow a successful YouTube channel. The takeaway for this tip is to find a posting schedule that fits for your life and your lifestyle. Make sure it is a schedule that you can thoroughly commit to without taking long breaks in between. Remember that a lot of YouTube is all about momentum. And if you can keep that momentum going, that will upswing you into success. For some creators, it's every single day. For other creators, it's once a week. It all comes down to how demanding your content is and what other creators in your niche are doing. Maybe some people are only releasing 1 video a month. Maybe others are releasing 6 videos a day. Find a posting schedule that works and stick to it to give your subscribers continuity and something they could expect to see every day.
So just do it! Do it!
Number 3. Making content that people don't want to see. So you've picked your niche, you've picked a good posting schedule that is going to be efficient and work for you. But what do you post about? What do you make videos on? These are questions that all of us as creators have gone through, especially at the beginning, before we've actually established ourselves as an authority or a person of interest in our niche. The key here is to go ahead and look at other popular channels and videos that are really big right now in your niche and see which topics they're doing. Now, you'll notice a lot of the times that when you look at these specific videos, certain topics, which will vary between each niche, will be getting more views than other videos. You'll start to see certain topics not only be popping up again and again, but certain topics being covered on multiple different channels. This means that more often than not, it's a winning video idea. Go to any YouTube channel, specifically one that you're probably fond of, go to the videos tab and sort the video by oldest video. When you do that, you'll see every single video that the channel had posted from the very beginning. And as you start to scroll through and look through their topics, you'll notice a handful that for whatever reason got a lot more views than other videos. Now keep going through further and further, and you'll start to notice a pattern. Which topics of which videos have gotten a lot more views than the others. Use this to your advantage. In addition, we could use the YouTube search to look for videos that are probably trending in our niche. For example, since I'm in the scary story niche, I could simply go to YouTube and type in scary stories and look at all the videos that pops up. I could easily sort this by the most viewed, and sure enough, we can get a pretty good idea of which topics are working in this niche and which topics I shouldn't be covering. Of course, there are more ways than that, but these are just 2 key ways to help you create and craft content designed for your specific audience of your niche. Because remember, if you put all this time into creating a video that nobody really cares to see because it's on a topic that nobody in your audience wants to watch, what's the point?
You mean I have to actually put effort into my content? Can I just post whatever I want and people will watch it? I mean, it's quantity over quality, right?
Oh, jeez. No, you can't just create anything you want. You have to create content your audience wants to see. If you're finding any of the information in this video extremely helpful, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button right below here and also like this video. Tip number 4, using bad titles and thumbnails. You've seen it, I've seen it. How many times have we been scrolling on YouTube only to come across a video that has a title of something like this? Or this. Or even this. And that's not all. We've also seen thumbnails that are pretty terrible, or no thumbnails at all. See, it doesn't matter if your video is extremely well produced.
Does freeze-drying candy make it taste unrecognizable?
Or shot on an iPhone.
So you want to start making videos, you want to start vlogging.
If your thumbnail is not captivating, then no one's going to click to watch it. In fact, if you look at the majority of the thumbnails that are currently on YouTube, all of them feature a pretty much standard formula. Some sort of background with text on it that is either a quote from the video, re-encapsulating the title, or something that is related to the video to draw the user in. This is often accompanied by some sort of human expression, either a face or something. This thumbnail formula has been proven time and time again to get the highest CTR, or click-through rate. Click-through rate is all about your thumbnail. If you have a really bad thumbnail, or not a good thumbnail at all, you'll probably have a lower click-through rate. From what I've seen, and in my opinion, a click-through rate of 6% and higher is pretty good. However, this is entirely dependent on your niche. What's great about your thumbnails is that you could swap out for a new thumbnail every 3 to 4 days until you get the optimal thumbnail possible.
Is that truly the way it works, sir?
Psychologically, we're all wired the same way, and I believe that we're a lot more inclined as humans to click on something with another human being on it. In fact, most of the time, thumbnails with a face get a lot more clicks than without one. While thumbnails do have more of an impact in my opinion, a bad title could still negatively affect your video's performance. A good title should have a few things. Number 1, be clear and concise about what the video is about. Number 2, has keywords but used appropriately. Number 3, to the point. I mean, nobody likes a title that's 80 characters long.
Shh, I'm uploading my video right now. Let's see, title, Make Money Online, Affiliate Marketing, Digital Marketing, Money for You. Cool, that's the great title.
Okay, seriously, do not listen to him. He has no idea what he's talking about. Please do not keyword stuff your title. Nobody wants a spammy looking video.
Wow, actual spam.
If you use keywords effectively and creatively, you can create an elegant title that perfectly captivates what your video is about to your audience. Tip number 5, not paying attention to your analytics. I'd say one of the biggest mistakes that any YouTuber, and not exclusive to newer YouTubers, is not paying attention to their analytics. YouTube's analytics can be overwhelming at first. After all, they are very in-depth and show you just about all the data and information you need to be successful. Let's look at just 2 of some of the most important metrics that you need to know. Number 1, watch retention, and number 2, click-through rate. Now, watch retention is how long somebody usually views your video. Within this graph of information, you'll see at multiple points that users drop off, or you'll see spikes where more users continue watching your video. This is very common for just about every single YouTuber out there. You're gonna have points where people just naturally drop off, because maybe they go on and on about a topic, and on, and on, and on, and on.
Please, get to the point.
Thoroughly paying attention to your audience retention rates can really make you think critically. It will allow you to deep dive into your videos and really see at which points users are dropping off the video and at which points users are staying. This will help you craft your video and determine maybe my intro is too long, maybe I shouldn't be talking for this portion. As you continue to grow and make more videos, you will be able to fine-tune using the data that YouTube gives to you. But don't just put all your time into those 2 metrics. Make sure you watch a couple YouTube videos, really take your time and study the analytic board. Because how you successfully grow on YouTube and really blow up a channel is by deep diving into your analytics and really understanding what is working for your channel and what isn't. Tip number 6, not engaging. Look, as much as we all like creating videos, it is vital that you engage back to your audience, you communicate. You're not some AI robot producing videos. To achieve this, simply just try and keep tabs of your comments if you have the time, because I know a lot of us are busy.
Thanks, but I'm busy.
And in fact, a lot of people who comment on videos absolutely love it when the creator actually responds to their comment. It shows that you're a human.
Your android brain is capable of so much more.
and that you engage and are a pretty cool person. Now, while it's probably not realistic for most of us to respond to every single comment, at the beginning, it is crucial that you establish yourself and communicate with your fans. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video, and as always, make sure to like the video, comment below, and let me know which mistake that you've learned while on your YouTube journey. You can hit that big red button right there, and also keep your notifications on.
Hey guys, wait, don't go. Sub for sub, right? Sub for sub.
Oh gosh.
Sub for sub. I want to grow my YouTube channel.